Okay, so I just realized I could actually stream what I am doing. Um, so we had some algo trading strategies live just for testing purpose, and with some positions we got liquidated, but the bot didn't handle the liquidation. So I now subscribe to, let's see where it is. The bot now subscribes to the balance and positions data, which actually lets us know if we get liquidated. So if there's a liquidation event, we add a got liquidated flag to the position, and in case the position got closed already from the position update event, we add the flag to our closed position. So we make sure we always know if we got liquidated. And then in the trader, if our right, where is it? Here. If OKX says we don't have a position open, but we still have the position tracking, so we still assume we have a position open, we then load the closed positions from the OKX wrapper and say if there is a closed position with the position ID where we think that is still open, we then close the position and let's actually say lick unknown. And yes, this is fine. And then write to our database that the position basically got closed down. So this works, and now I want to test or optimize our strategy to not get or run into liquidation events that often. So we just did a test, and let's see what the result is of our name scalp indicator. No, what's the name? Scalp indicators with a dash. Okay, so let's see. Profit. It made that much profit. Let's save this here. So okay, and now we can delete this. Well, actually, let's keep it. And let's keep it and do a sort by the time. So we always get the latest one, I guess. So, and let's try to add a flag here and say, so by high is actually always bigger than the average entry price, and the price last order average price times this. Then we do a buy high. Let's see if this returns better results. This shouldn't affect liquidations that much. And let's add here that we had 21 liquidations. So, okay. We have less liquidations, right? Let's compare the profit percentage. It's smaller, okay, but we have less liquidation, so that's good. That's good. And remove this here and say just this. And increase leverage in steps, that's fine. Highest price bin. Yeah. Then average entry price. And let's, oh no, let's remove this. And let's see how this affects the profit. So, seems like profit got smaller again, but less liquidations again as well. So 21, 15, just 11 liquidations. And now can I go to aggregation, say I wanna match, and I want my name to be scalp indicators. Yes. And okay, at stage I want a sort by time -1 at stage, and now I want a match orders dot order ID let's see if we can find a liquidation by high by first. So here we got a reduce. The lever is 50, this can't be true. I guess that's because, yeah, here we want to set it to 2 again. And this means we can actually delete all our results because it doesn't match anymore. And here I would actually want something like, this kind of starts with or something. Okay, but let's, delete these. Tests, database, and run again, run, tester. Okay, so let's see. Size. P&L. One liquidation. Here, liquidation. With a small margin. That's fine. Let's actually see what changes we did. Here. Only if leverage is not too high. Oh, Skype indicators. So here we added the last order. Let's actually remove this again. No. Okay. Then let's just add this for now. So run backtester. And let's see if this is no better. No, actually quite the same profit. So this didn't make a big difference. So let's keep this. And what changed? Take profit changed. Reduce. Okay, let's add this again. Reduce. Okay, now the profits is way higher again. But we have liquidations. Ha! And why is that? I mean, as long I guess we're fine with liquidations, as long as we only lose very few. Can we add the log debug dating and I wanna log the contract size, the margin, the leverage. Okay, backtester. Oh. Okay. I don't want to get liquidated with that margin. Why didn't it reduce? I guess because of the high leverage. Can we say this only applies if and leverage smaller than 10, let's say. Otherwise, leverage bigger than 10. Price smaller, average entry price times 5. Run backtester. Now we got only one liquidation with low leverage, and let's see what the profits would be. Okay, but still not. I guess we can. Let's even set this to 1. And 9. This should then now return better results. One liquidation again, but way better results. Okay. I mean, the highest leverage we do is 40. Let's actually say 37, then it's 40. And this means we can go down by 2%. Okay. I actually want to visualize this. This server is running, then we can do this and copy our identifier. And say pif USDT swap. 2 errors. Failed to fetch, the server is not running. Yep. Okay, let's try again. Yes, so. Okay, smaller time frame. And let's see what we do here. say okay, market sell, market buy. Okay. These all are take profits. Huh. So we have less liquidations. We got down from what was it in the beginning, 21 to 3. We still make tons of profit. Now let's see what happens if we set this to 80. I guess we have less profit now. Here it is 5.3 million. Yeah. But I guess that's fine. I might want to do this better here. Condition 1. Can now say this is condition 1. Condition 2. No, this should be condition 2. And let's actually do it like this. Bam. So, if we have a leverage smaller than 10, then we reduce this dot multiplier, so about 4% loss or something. Can I somehow access? I want to see how much profit I made at these points. Order helper dot profit. Yes. Okay, here we get liquidated with a margin of about 2k, but at this point we already made 650k. Okay, so this is fine. Okay, so the strategy looks good now. What I want to do now is indicators. We have EMA8. Let's do this to EMA8 again. So what I'm thinking is I don't want to buy what's this left. Okay, the leverage buys are fine. I don't want to have first buys while we are falling. Okay, let's actually just use the EMA8 on the backtester. We have indicators of the 5-min time frame. Perfect. Then let's here say indicators 5-min and the indicators 5-min dot EM8 can't be or must be, so the price must be above the indicators 5-min dot EM8. Why is this now flagged? What did we change? Okay, no position. Aha, 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 aha. Aha. Then say this gets in here if, okay, das heißt meistens 8 like this. So and let's see when this produces even better results. No, it does not. And even one liquidation more. So let's remove this. Or let's actually keep it and say if the indicators 5-min dot MACD dot histogram. Yeah. Run backtester. Let's see what this does. Better, but ha 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 ha. What kind of indicators do we have? Okay, then let's check here at the VWeb and no. Okay, now let's then just don't do anything here. But okay, we have the histogram here for buy highs and buy lows. And maybe let's see. Oh no, take profits. Price needs to be bigger than the last or the average price. Okay, let's run backtester. Let's see if we now get the half mil again. Yeah, that's the half mil again. No, that's even more. That's 5.3 mil. But what if you say this? Now we get only one liquidation. And we have, okay, let's do a one here. Still one liquidation and way higher profit. Three liquidations. Now here we had two, now we have three, so let's say this. Let's actually go with this. Const last profit. Const profits. Filter order dot ready starts with const last and difference in minutes. Let's take profit and time. And I wanna see what's the output. Here. Difference and no, okay, this can't be this has to be time. Okay, so we have our first take profit. And so we have only two orders, the first and the last take profit. Now we have a last take profit. Okay, and the difference is bigger than 6. This seems to work. 2 liquidations. Way less profit. Way more profit, 2 liquidations. Let's remove it again. Oh. Run. Free liquidations and way better profit. And actually a better win ratio. Okay. So this strategy is now optimized. Perfect. Let's have a look what other strategies we trade. We scalp indicators and build scalp fast. And we trade build scalp fast on RP3, SUI, build scalp fast. Okay. So let's do the same with build scalp fast. So just back tests. Drop them, and we want to minimize the liquidations. But let's see on what symbols we trade. Let's go AP3. And I have to go into the environment config for that. No, I actually don't. So, bam. Backtester. You want to now test AP3. And let's see. Run backtester. We don't need it in the debugger. Okay, no liquidation at all. And let's filter for build scalp fast. No, we had 4 liquidations. So let's move this to build scalp fast. Bam. And let's have a look at the build sculpt fast. And that's IP3. 2 errors. The server is not running because it doesn't have the logger. Now we have to remove it here. Bam. Server running. We can reload. And let's see what's going on here. Lots of tech profits. So what we don't want is liquidations with a lot of margin. Let's go fast. Let's set it here to 37 as well. And buy high. Let's see if we change this to that. Oh. Like that. Still 4 liquidations. Bit less profit, but that's fine. Let's have a look at the reduce one. What if we remove the multiplier here and set this something like this? Then we have only one liquidation with really low margin, but the profits are smaller again. So what we want to do is here as well, we want to have our conditions. And say condition, let's keep this for now and say condition 1 or 2. If the price is smaller than average entry price. This was the original one, let's keep this, and if the leverage is bigger than 10, let's say we wanna scale down here. This means 10%, maybe more. Max 40% loss. What does mean, this condition? No, if the leverage is bigger than 10, I want to actually scale down. If it's smaller, then we can be fine with... Oh no, again, this is fine, but I want to scale down then higher. only one liquidation, but way bigger profit again. Okay, so let's keep this. This seems good. Let's do this to an 80. And same. Okay. So let's keep this. What other strategy do we can actually delete? Losing strategies. What other strategy do we run? We have build scalp fast, scalp indicators, and on Sol we run build scalp. Let's do this and say here we run our strategy build scalp. Let's have a look at build scalp on Solana, and I guess we can have a bigger time frame here. So, and we need more capital. Okay, so let's have a look at backtests. Run backtester. So we have a few liquidations. And I wanna see build scalp. Bam. Okay. Decent profit. And 0 liquidations. Perfect. But can we optimize this? Can we optimize this? The reduce one. Looks good. Let's actually then remove the multiplier from here. Say 80 here. Should produce the same output. And let's go into our scalp fast. Remove the lock here. And here as well. Bam. But we have the exact same output, yes, so. Perfect. Perfect. And this should have actually a nice see what made the most profit. P&L. This one. Build scalp fast. Made the most profit with 2 liquidations. Then scalp indicators with 2 liquidations. Build scalp. Okay. But let's keep it that way. So I think I have optimized everything I wanted. Let's actually have a look at PIF again. At the scalp fast, now at the scalp indicators. Delete the backtests. Run backtester. So, and we want to see the scalp indicators. Bam. So, and now what we want to try is, what was it? Adjust the leverage here and say, let's say 8. It's like 41.3 million, 41.3. It's the same, it's exactly same. Perfect. And we want this to be as less or as small as possible. And let's actually see the multiplies 0.0905 and 9595. So we can this change to this 595. So if the leverage is smaller than 6, then we scale down or reduce the position if the price fell like about 4%. If the leverage is higher, we scale down if the price fell 2%. Okay. Unrun backtester. Still the same output. Still the same output. Now let's actually increase this to 8.5. And now we have 7.4 instead of 41. So a bit less, but a better win ratio. Let's actually go with that. And set this to 80 again, and so let's see back tests. And this one again. So, and let's do it again with 9.8. So here it was 183, 7, way more profit. Okay, yes. Let's see, what if we condition 3 says if it's bigger than 20, we want to scale down here. One liquidation, but less profit, way less profit. More profit, one liquidation instead of 3. How does this affect liquidations? Ah, because it closes the position. It closes the position. And now, compared to, yeah, now we wanna go with this. Mm-hmm. And okay. I just check my phone. So we basically have optimized all strategies. We don't use build anymore at all. You know what? Let's backtest against all symbols. With like, yeah, $400. And check what outcomes they produce on all symbols. Maybe we want to trade on another altcoin as well. Let's have a look at the logs here. Network errors, error event, error event, indicators not found, indicators socket hang up. Okay. Nothing too spectacular. And let's sort by P&L -1. Okay, we have already with optimism. We have link. Link could be interesting. 0 liquidations. But what strategy? Can delete the build. Okay, what strategies did we use? We updated scalp indicators, build scalp and build scalp fast. Build scalp fast, build scalp and build fast not. Did we update build fast? No, but we use build fast, right? Build scalp. No, we don't use build fast at all. Can we optimize the strategy as well? SUI scalp indicators, right? Looks good. 2 liquidations. And let's have a look at so lick. So we have a liquidation here of $6. We have a liquidation here of $2. We have a liquidation here of $502. But that's fine. We took huge profits already. Okay. Scalp Sui looks good then. Okay. Let's actually commit future liquidation handling is this is this is this is this is yep, order helper, max leverage, yep, and max leverage, liquidation handling here, trader, okay, should got liquidated. I then want in the order helper unknown ID else closed pause got liquidated. Click on just unknown, and yes, that's it. RP3 skill build skill fast, here build skill fast, but these should be AP3 scalp indicators. 0 liquidation and would have got 1 liquidation. Yeah. So let's keep it that way and commit these things. Order helper. Commit. And so I fix improved strategies. Sync changes. Let's get the SSH from GitHub. Say git pull the repo clear. Okay, so now I say pm2 stop all. I say yarn install yarn update yarn upgrade. I want a new version of the CryptoBot types. Maybe we need to CryptoBot types 1.2, but I think we have a newer version. CryptoBot types, which 1.3, yes. So let's actually, we don't want to use this. Types package version. Bub. And then pull again. git pull up. Yep, new version of the CryptoBot types. And run build. And yarn run pm2 start. And I want to stop the pm2 stop hb piff. Okay. Save. Let's have a look. pmt log 8. So here's our position. We have AP3 with 2 cents and okay, about 0 or break even. Let's see what we have here. Yep, we have the same data here. We are in the right environment for that position. Seems like we have to take profits a lot here. Let's see if we can find these take profits in here. Yep, okay. But lots of them. Okay, brutto P&L and fee. So the calculations are right. Why is there profit taking then? I don't know. Okay, but this seems to work. It still uses the right position data. Let's close this. Have a look at my own positions. Especially we should have now a pif position open. pmt log 3. We have a first position and just opened it right. Perfect. And let's have a look at our profits. AP3 is one of the best performers. PIF, TIA, and that's what we are running. We are running PIF, TIA, Sol, Sui positions. Let's do pm2 save. And pm2 flush. Perfect. So let's anti-stream.